Alright, sure na ito. Ready? And let us welcome Judy and Judy! Thank you, Judy. Thank you, Judy. Now, do you want to see them out of the water? Yes, they do. And here, palakpakan naman natin sila. The one on the left is Judy, and the one on the right is Judy. Judy is the female dolphin, and female dolphins are bigger than male dolphins. Everybody wave! Come on, wave! Say hi! Thank you, Judy. Thank you, Judy. Now, they want to play a game they learned from the Philippines. It's called Punahang Base. Each of them has to get 3 rings each and race to the base. Whoever reaches that first wins the game. Mr. Renato, Mr. Sausage, we're ready. Let's see. Let's see. Let's get a win. We got 3. Here's the back. Here's the back. And who's going to win? It's a round of applause. Thank you, Rudy. Thank you, Rudy. Dolphins love to jump. You want to see them jump? Okay, here it is. This is the loop. When dolphins jump out of the water, it's what we call porpoising. Right now, they can surely jump higher than 2, 3, 4 feet. This is a 7 or 8 foot jump. Do it. Good job. There we go. You know what? Dolphins are nature's lifesavers. When they see a sailor in distress, they're always the first one to do that. And while they're doing this, let us clap with the music. Clap with the music.